Well, I wanted this. Decker got it for me. So this is pretty much the last one for me out of here. Unless if somehow another dream car shows up. But it's looking at this more and more. I truly believe that this is a 1941. I don't know what series it is. I'll have to run the numbers. I'm pretty sure it's a 41 because I could find 41 pictures with these square tail lights. But if it's wrong, then you know I'll just make an adjustment. Yeah, I was in this already. It's a little rough, but highly savable. There we go. I guess the Oldsmobile emblem went across right there. And of course, there's another deal that went down right there, I think for the license plate. This still has the original straight 6 in it, but this car is not going to be original by any means. Can't get in on this side, but what's left of the steering of that plastic stuff, whatever that they used, or plastine, I can't remember. Yeah. She's already bought and paid for, so yeah, I'm sorry for this wind. It's starting to pick up. But I'm pretty sure this is a 41 because the 40s that I find are different. So I thought, like, oh, you know, maybe in the 30s I was wrong, because the 30s, the lights are up on the top, but the 41 I could find is like right here. So, and I guess you can still find the bumpers and everything. As, ooh, look at that. Might need a new bumper entirely because they welded some stuff. It split. Looks like they got too hot welding it. Yeah. Oh, that's broken. Yeah. So, yeah, style number, yep, it's 1941. And I see the Oldsmobile number. Starting to learn some of that stuff. Trying to get in here. And I guess this engine block is questionable. Have to see how it is. But also too, I see right here, it's really plugged up with gunk. Boy, look at that spot right there. I wonder if I can find some sort of a rocket, like some sort of a 455 rocket. I know they're hard to come by, but have to see. Of course, both wheels in the front are gutted. There's nothing there. Wheels in the back. And I figured this will be some sort of a cruiser. Definitely get an Oldsmobile engine for it. But I don't know what size yet. Yeah. Because I guess this car is actually extremely solid. And the back is very, very big. Of course, I have to get some seat belts. But electric windows. Oh, look at that. Ashtrays on each side is there? Oh, yep. Both ashtrays are there. And it's a 3-speed. 3 on the tree, but I don't know if it's like a fluid driver. So it's probably just the old standard type of 3-speed. But it doesn't matter. It'll get a 4-speed on the floor. Oh, I don't know if it went to this car or not. But, busted. I don't know what that's to. That might be the starter. Maybe one of you might know. Things are too faded. Let's see. You can pause the video if you need to. Try to get up close. So, I mean, the last and final car out of here, in honesty, it was going to be our uncle's Gran Torino, but this will be the last one. Unless if somehow a dream car shows up someplace. But I doubt it. Oh no. At least my hinge over there is good. Electric windows though, I'll keep this standard. Yeah. 4-speed, some sort of a Oldsmobile engine. Of course, put something really good in the back here. Some sort of a posi. That'd be pretty easy to pop out. Might pop it out this summer. I'll have to get the seat out and make a structure, but pop it out slowly. Since I got a porter jack, because I'm going to reteach myself on a lot of things. I know how to do some stuff, but over time, when I don't do anything, like I've said time and time again, I forget a lot of skills. So I'm going to reteach myself. So, gosh, it's yeah, not too bad. Really not too bad. LED lights, everything. Modern wiring harness with USB. Everything in it, in honesty. So, yeah, it'd make a pretty good cruiser. Looks like I got a fender to fix. Looks like both. Back, wait a second. Or is that? Oh no, that's. No, look at that. Rock guard there needs to be fixed. That's simple. Looks like this got bent up. That's a very interesting fender. Look at that. How it comes down and curves over. But yeah, she's mine now. That and the Gran Torino, and then the others down over there pickup, and then Tucker's Mercury Marquis, his Plymouth, which I do believe is a 46. So yeah, not too bad in honesty, not too bad. Looks like a little boo-boo there. A lot of love and care. Not bad. Get a lock gas cap. Still make them. And this car has been sitting here for years, and I've always thought about it. But when I said in the videos, like, yeah, funds are short, it's like Tucker's like, you know what? Just get some out, buy it. It's like, okay. So, yeah, not too bad. So if anyone has suggestions on what kind of Oldsmobile engine to put into this with the 4-speed, put it down in the comment section. So I'm gonna grab this and turn it around. So yeah, last and final car, now unless if another dream car shows up. So I want this is down here. I'm not interested, I just want to look at this row. Of course, 4-door Falcon. 57. Oh, not sure what that is. something else entirely. So is that 2 4-doors. But alrighty, well, guess that does it for everything. I'm gonna go down and do a few other stuff, which all of you will see on Sunday. Was gonna do some short stuff with the phone, but wind's blowing, it would ruin everything. So I will talk to all of you later. So y'all have a good now. Take care and stay safe. See you later now. Yeah, we got to. Could be worse. Could be worse. Okay. With this trailer, who knows anymore?